Okay, we're gonna follow the journey of how this dude became a. Well, how did he become a dog, actually? And just like that, you're now a dog. Or someone's pet. What's up with dogs in anime recently, too? We have characters acting like dogs last season. Yeah, I'm talking about Denji. This season we have people actually embodying the dog. Yo, she went on yandere for a second. What are those eyes? Yeah, that's awkward, yo. Yo, the pet just watching you. A little weird, dude. That the eyes are big. Yo, people with their pets, man. Whoa! Yuck. Heck no, man.